Alexi. I would like to say thank you very much for the full support and cooperation that you give it to me. I pray to God that the next contract, SATCO take again this project,
sure,
so that you can continue to give good life to your family in your country home. And then I need your full support and cooperation to Michael for being my replacement. How I treat you in work, Michael and me are the same. We have no differences. Okay? Be dedicated in your work. And then be honest and dedicated in your work. If ever you encounter some problem in your work, always talk to Michael, Mario, to Mr. Gerard. They are always ready to help you to solve your problem. Okay? And then I would like to say thanks to Michael, to Mr. Mario, to facility, to Mr. Ronnie, to Mr. Gerard. They are treating me like a brother. Although I had some mistake in my work when I am new here, but I promise to myself that I have to improve my work just to prove that I am deserved in this position. And then also, I don't want also to destroy the name of Mr. Mario, the person who brought me here to do this work. Okay, and then in this project, we are brotherhood. We are one family, even though we are different nationalities. That's why always be strong in your work. Always help each other. Always think safety. And then always think safety. And then thank you very much for everything. I will never forget you in my life. Thank you very much.
One more thing that we